Hello friends, Makrand here. Today we are going to see how to install horn in car. Here I have Hela Chrome twin tone horn set in my hands. Here you can see the information about horn on the box. I bought it from Amazon. You will find the link in the description box. As you can see, the packaging is very good. Here is the hologram mark. Let's unbox it. In this box you will find the two horns. One is of low tone and another one is of high tone. So here you can check. This is the receipt I got from Amazon. The thing I like most about the Amazon is the delivery is always on date. So let's unpack the horn. So the packing is very nice. This is the low tone horn. Here you will get the metallic strip. This is the 410 Hz low tone. The finishing is very nice. This another one is of high tone, 510 Hz. The build quality is quite good, and if you ask look wise, it is very nice. Basically it is ABS material, chrome finish. So let's check the procedure how to install these horns in car. I'll show you the whole procedure. So now we are going to install the horns in my Baleno. For the installation of the horns, first we have to open the front bumper. In this video I will show you the procedure to open the front bumper. I will show you the location of the all fasteners. For that first we have to open the bonnet. So we are here, open the bonnet. There are some of the plastic snap fits, or you can say the fasteners, and some of our metallic bolts. So for that you will require the screwdriver and 10 mm spanner. I'll show you the all the positions of the fasteners here. So lock the bonnet. Here is the first one is the plastic snap fit. I'll show you the how to open this. This is the bolt of 10 mm, second bolt 10 mm, this one is third 10 mm bolt, and fourth 10 mm bolt. So in the top you will find the 4 metallic 10 mm bolt and 2 plastic fasteners. Here at the bottom side near the front tire you will find the screw. You have to open this screw, and the same screw is at another side. I'll show you the location. This one right here. You have to open this. Yeah, this one. Here you can check the construction of the plastic bolt and how to open this. You just have to pull this top cap with the help of screwdriver. So it is easy to remove the screw. Just pull it outside and it is open here. You can see the construction of this bolt. You will find these bolts at the bottom side of the bumper also. So keep in mind the opening procedure of these bolts. It is very helpful for you. I'll show you the some of the bolts from the bottom side. Here is the another one, and these are the plastic bolts which are installed at the bottom side. You can check. So now let's check the fastener from the bottom side. Here is the plastic fastener again. You have to open this. Then there is the first screw from bottom side. You have to open this with the help of screwdriver. Then here is the second screw. Hope you can see this. Sorry for the camera movement here. This one is the third screw. Hope you can see. Then again plastic fastener, and this one you have to open this. So after opening all these fasteners, the scenario of the car from front is like this. So here you can check the high tone and low tone stock horns. The upper one is of high tone and the lower one is of low tone. You can find the H and L on the strips on which the horns are. So here you can find the H. Hope you guys can see. This one is the fastener, and these are the two plugs. You have to just plug and play new horns here. It is very easy to install. Here check out the look after installation of the new horns, and it is very easy to install these horns. Here you have to just open this one screw for the low tone horn, and same for the high tone horn. You just have to open the one screw and fit it again, and the 4 pins. For upper one there is 2 pin, and for lower one there is 2 pin. Hope you all guys like this video. Thank you.